What's up, y'all? It's Kim with WorkHardTravel.com, and I'm at the Atlantis. So here's what the Atlantis is like in 2021. Taxi drivers have to provide a COVID test that was taken recently to enter the property. The Atlantis and Paradise Island includes 6 properties, including the Royal Atlantis, the Cove Atlantis, the Reef Atlantis, Harborside Resort, the Coral, and the Beach. This video focuses on the Royal Atlantis, the Royal, the Cove, and the Coral for all Marriott properties, which means you can redeem points. The lowest redemption starts at the Royal Atlantis at 45,000 points per night, depending on which room you reserve. Each time you enter, you must take a temperature check.
Welcome. Your temperature is normal.
Upon check-in, you must provide the Bahamas travel health visa that you've already applied for before coming to the Bahamas. If you want more information on the travel requirements to enter the Bahamas, be sure to subscribe to this channel as I'll be posting more videos around travel to Nassau Bahamas. Hi, my name is Kim and I'm the creator of WorkHardTravel.com. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications as I post weekly videos around travel, lifestyle, and tech. In December of 2020, the Royal Atlantis recently renovated their rooms in the East Tower. And if you're interested in a renovated room, you must book a premium hotel room in the Royal Atlantis. One thing to note is there are no microwaves on the property and refrigerators are not in all rooms. You may have to request a refrigerator ahead of time. The terrace view includes a view of the front of the property, but it's very low to the ground. We were on level 3. If you notice, the balconies of the terrace rooms are bigger than the other balconies. One thing to note is the hotel rooms are not entirely 100% non-smoking. There are some smoking floors. There are over 20 restaurants at the Atlantis. It's best to make reservations online for popular places such as Nobu. You can make that directly on the Atlantis website. The reason I chose to stay at the Royal Atlantis is because I was able to use Marriott points, and also there's currently a curfew in Nassau that starts at 10 p.m. and goes until 5 a.m. So I was able to stay within the property after 10 and enjoy the amenities, and the casino and restaurant stayed open past 10 o'clock. scheduled my COVID test online. The requirements for getting back into the United States, but you have to have a test 72 hours before your flight to get back into the US. To get to the pool and the beach, there are two ways. You can go through the aquarium, which is just below the lobby, or you can go past Poseidon's table, which is past the elevators to go up to the hotel rooms, and exit that way to go to the beach and pool as well. That way is quicker, but if you want to see the aquarium, you can of course try the aquarium entry. Once you are outside, you go just past the pool, and by the slide you can retrieve your towel and also a wristband by showing your hotel key and providing your last name. The legal drinking age is 18 in the Bahamas, so expect a wide range of ages at the lounges. Overall, I enjoyed my stay. Next time I may try an all-inclusive resort. Overall, the staff is friendly at this hotel. There's a lot to do. I did not like that you could smell smoke amongst non-smoking floors, and also the water was not that hot in the shower.